Hey guys, so we're here to talk about your syllabus. Each class will have a syllabus that kind of outlines what you're going to cover in your class and how it's graded and just important things to know. So let's look at where you can find your syllabus. So if I click on one of my classes, okay, we teach you to go to modules to find all your work. But if you want to find the syllabus, you simply have to scroll down. So your syllabus is going to be basically your homepage. So your syllabus, if you scroll down, you're going to see how to find your teacher's office hours, so who your instructor is. You're going to find out how to get help, um, grading policy, testing policy, academic integrity, how much your classes are weighted for each category, and many more things. So, and then mine kind of outlines what each category represents and things that you can find. If you need to find the calculator emulator, there's a video on that. And so just tons of information here in your course syllabus. So again, if you're in your dashboard, when you click on any class, all you have to do is scroll down to find the syllabus. The syllabus is going to be your homepage. Again, lots of great useful information there for all of your classes.